In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a discount on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is a really handy feature for those of you offering promotions or special discounts to your customers, and it's quite simple once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to https://qbo.intuit.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Now, if you haven't already set up an invoice or you're looking to start fresh, you'll need to create one. To do that, direct your mouse to the top left of your screen and click the plus new button. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll select Invoice. Alternatively, if you're planning to apply a discount to an already existing invoice, you'll want to head over to Sales on the left menu. Then click on Invoices and select the specific invoice you want to modify. Once you're staring at your invoice screen, it's time to add your products or services. This part is pretty straightforward. Simply input the usual details like customer name, the date, and any line items that represent the products or services you're billing for. Now, here's where we get into adding that discount. You'll need to scroll down to where your line items are listed. Look for an option to add a new line or locate a blank line just beneath your existing items. In the Product Service drop-down, choose or create a new service and give it the name Discount if it's not already an option. When entering the amount of the discount, make sure to write it as a negative number. For example, if you're offering a $50 discount, you'd enter $50. There's an alternative method if your version of QuickBooks has a built-in discount field directly on the invoice screen. You might find this option labeled simply as Discount, or it may be within a More Options menu. Here, you'll have the choice to add either a percentage or a fixed amount discount, which might save you the extra step of creating a new line. After you've entered your discount, take a moment to verify that it's reflected accurately in the invoice total. You want to ensure that everything from the discount amount to the adjusted total looks exactly as it should. This is a crucial step to avoid any billing errors or misunderstandings with your client. Finally, once everything appears to be in order, you have a couple of choices to wrap things up. Click on Save and Send if you're ready to deliver this invoice to your customer right away. If you just want to save your changes and send it later, Save and Close will do the trick. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount to your invoice in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining me, and make sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.